everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. Today's video is going to be all about this makeup look where I use some new Pixi Beauty products as well as the Glamlite Mikayla Part 1 palette. I know the Part 2 has been released but I haven't bought it yet and I don't think I will. But I use the Part 1 palette over here and I absolutely adore it. So if you want to see how I created this look, what products I use, and what I thought of the products and keep on watching, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay, we're rocking these beautiful red lips at the moment. Alright, so let's begin. I have some new Pixi Rose products that I will be including in this video. And the first two things I'm going to be using are these two. This one is the Plus Rose Essence Oil. This looks like so pretty, honestly. Even the packaging of it looks so pretty. And then we'll put on this one. This is the Radiance Perfector. And this can be used either on its own before you apply your makeup or even as a touch-up apparently. I'm just going to use this. This is what I've been doing. I've been using this first. So I just take a little bit. Now this is quite liquidy, so I can't wet my brows now because I've just laminated them, so I have to be a bit careful. The products, their scents, man. Oh, and rose really calms me down as well. So I'm like, yes, I'm going to use those today. And now let's just use the Radiance Perfector. It's quite liquidy as well. We're just going to apply this all over our face. And this kind of adds a beautiful like glow to our skin. It also helps to blur out our skin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some foundation. This is the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. I absolutely adore this foundation, so that is what we're going to do. I really need to wash my makeup brushes, guys, because this is getting ridiculous. But today what I want to do after I film, like I'm going to film 2 videos and then I'll start like putting them on my laptop. I just want to stay reading for a bit. It's a lot, guys, at the moment, so if you see that I'm a little bit distant, please bear with me because this month is going to be quite a month, guys. It's going to be quite a month. I love this foundation. It's a really like good, very lightweight foundation, but very good. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild. This one is the Photofocus Concealer. Oops. On my chin. I have a bit of dry skin going on, so like you're gonna have to bear with me, guys, today. Okay, it's a bit better, right? Like I'm like seeing like no redness at the moment, which is very good. Okay, so for powder, I'm gonna be using the light pink loose setting powder from Revolution. I haven't used this in a while. Oh my god, it's so messy, guys, honestly. Like I filled my skirt with powder now. But that's okay. So now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this. This is the MIKAYLA, the Volume 1 palette from Glamlite Cosmetics. And now she has the second one. But to be honest, I'm going to pass on that one because number one, it was very expensive to kind of bring over to Malta. And even though I have to pay customs and everything, and I feel like the colors that there are, I prefer something more like this. So excited to use it. I never used it yet. But yeah, I love the packaging. Like, look at that packaging. It's so pretty. But I said, okay, I need to use this, and today is the day. I'm wearing a lilac top as well. Okay, so these are the shades that we are working with. They're all so pretty, and I'll be definitely using something with the lilacs basically today. Like that is what we're gonna be doing, guys. Okay. So let's just take this one. This one is called MJ, which is that one right there. We're just going to blend that into our crease. So something like that. It's a very pretty lilac shade, honestly. But you definitely have to tap your brush because it will pick up quite a bit of product. It's such a pretty shade, guys, honestly. It's a really gorgeous lilac shade. So we have lilac going on, and I'm going to take the Jessup 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. So I'm going to go into this dark shade now, which is called Frisky. As you can see, it's quite a dark purple. So I'm going to like do a outer V, and let's just see what will happen. Okay, and then I'm going to just like, again, brush my palm a little bit. Sorry, brush my brush against my palm. And I'm going to just drag this like till the half of my eyelid, kind of to get a bit of depth, I would say. I think that's what you would say. Yes. Just going to blend that out. This color is beautiful, the Frisky shade. Just going to drag it a bit further up. So something like that. These purples are absolutely stunning, honestly. Like so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Immaculate, which is this beautiful purple shimmer shade right here. As you can see, it's like a mixture of like, it's a light purple, not like too dark, not too light. How weird, guys. It is not pink, sorry. It is purple. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm going to take this one, which is called Part 2, and that will be like the transition shade. It's interesting because she actually has a Part 2 now. Okay, so I think I should use another brush though, not the same one. I'm learning, guys. Okay, so which brush am I going to use? So we have the Luxe Petite brush, again, the crease one. And I'm going to take that one, the shade Part 2, just a little bit on my wee brush. And I'm just going to kind of blend the shimmer with a matte shade. I kind of always like doing this, but I like applying a different color. Oh, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, honestly. And I'll just finish it off and then I'll do the other eye a wee bit later. I'll take this little brush from Real Techniques, which looks like this. And I don't know which to take, if it's like NARS. Yes, I think I want to take NARS because NARS is the one that's calling my name. And it's this one right here. We'll just do that. Ooh. So pretty. That inner corner, guys. Oh, and even like if you would apply this shade all over your lid, I think it would look really, really good. I'm going to take this one. This is the Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. I'm going to do the bottom, but I think for the bottom, I feel as though, I don't know, like should I do just a yellow, like or a blue? Oh my god, a blue would look really cute. We'll do Rhodey, which is that one right there. I'm going to put this. I'm not going to put hopefully a lot. So something I didn't want that much. I just wanted a little bit. Oh my god, I totally forgot that this eye I didn't complete the look. I'm such a wuss. Oh my god, I totally forgot. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing now on the other eye and complete the look because I totally forgot about that. Okay, so we did basically a beautiful purple look. I absolutely love this. I adore this look because I love purple. For mascara, I'm going to be using this one. This is the Climax Extreme Mascara from NARS, and I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to apply the mascara. I absolutely love that. It really like grips onto my lashes really well. Honestly, it's like I have falsies on. I know, like I have like a box of like I have a drawer full of like falsies on, like false lashes, and I never go for them. What I like about this palette is that it has like the first 2 rows of shades are quite like wearable shades, and then like the bottom 3 are more like different fun pops of color, but honestly, I need to use this much more because it's a very good palette, because the shades, they blend so nicely, they're so smooth, they're buttery and so beautiful, honestly. So this is the Kiko Flawless Fusion Bronzer. It's such a beautiful, beautiful bronzer, guys, honestly. And then I'm going to use this one. Now, this is the Pixi Glowy Powder in Rose Dew. Honestly, guys, it's really pretty. The only thing is that, oh my god, it's so glittery. Like, this is the shade. Okay, but it's just like, it fills your face with glitters. It's such a pretty, like, beautiful, very natural blush. And even for summer, I would just wear it on its own because it's so, so pretty. I'm just going to put some on. And yeah, I'm going to have, like, my face full of glitters, but it's fine because it is summer. You just don't need a lot, guys, honestly. I didn't apply a lot. This is gonna last forever. For highlight, I don't know, I'm just going to do something very, very lightweight. We have the Mary Lou from the Balm. I have this one. So this is the Pixi. It's like a lip, not a lip balm, like a lip balm, I guess. It comes like this. It's so cute. I mean, look at that. And I'm just going to apply this just a little bit. Kind of put it underneath because my lips are really dry. So this is the Golden Rose Creamy Lip Color in the shade 106. On camera it looks much better. Off camera it looks like much lighter, to be honest. Okay, and I'm going to use this setting spray, which is called Salted Caramel from I Heart Revolution. I'm going to cover like my eyebrows. Yes. Okay, but this is the finished look. Honestly, like, yeah, so happy with it. It's such a pretty purple look. I like the lipstick as well. Like, my under eyes are a bit too like bare for me, like they're too white. Oh. And are you seeing like this glow? Honestly, like, you can use this as a blush, but you can also use this as a highlight as well. But honestly, I like it. Usually I'm very like critical on like glittery, shimmery blushes. I don't like them. This one, I don't mind it at all. So that is the finished look. But I need to finish the video today. I absolutely adore the Pixi Beauty stuff. They were given to me in PR, and I just wish to say a big thank you to Pixi Beauty. I honestly recommend each and every product because I honestly believe they are absolutely beautiful and they offer a beautiful glow to your skin. I mean, like, I have no words for the blush. Like, you can see. And like, even for like the base, like these two products helped kind of create a very beautiful, like, smooth base as well. I liked the Nourishing Lip Balm too. The MIKAYLA palette is beautiful. Like at one point I'm like, should I get the other one? But I'm like, money wise, it doesn't make sense, Kezia, so I'm not. But it is a beautiful, like, she has very beautiful eyeshadows. Like Glamlite seem to have quite beautiful eyeshadow products, and MIKAYLA has done a great job with this purple one. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. So yeah, take care, and I love you all.